Hi, this is Tanya Mills with Apple Tree Homeschool Academy and Apple Tree Home Daycare, and I have a quick video just to share a few storage tips with you. So when you're running a daycare out of your home, you have twice as much food. And someone asked me recently, did I have any advice for them? And I said storage items for a small space, and I thought, well, you have to use a vertical space. So you're getting any kind of jars, and we recycle our jars. So we buy Alfredo sauce and spaghetti sauce and jars that we know that we can recycle. And this here, then smaller one is, I think, about 12 ounces. It says 8 ounces on the side, and it comes up about halfway. So these are 3 different size jars, and in one I have baby carrots in some water, rinsed off first, and then the water, and then you rinse, exchange the water out every 2 or 3 days, and put clean water on it, and it'll make them last a lot longer. Here in this one, I have some rinsed grapes, and so all I have to do is pull off the lid and serve them or cut them in half. Speaking of which, my daughter-in-law got me this grape cutter here. It comes with the blue cap there, and then you plop a grape down in there and push down the plunger, and it cuts your grapes into, I think, fourths. So with serving a lot of children, that has come in really handy. It's been a lifesaver. And then here in this one, I have a grandchild that didn't eat a lot of sliced up apples, and I had like about half an apple left. I went ahead and put the slices in the jar. And like when I don't have a real lemon, you can use Country Time lemonade because it has a citric acid in it. Now I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of the Country Time on top. Don't have to be very much, and I'm going to give those a shake. So I'm just going to shake this up, and that citric acid in there is going to prevent those from turning brown. Now it will have a little bit of a lemon taste to it, but they're actually very tasty that way. Okay, another vertical storage space are these small little Pyrex bowls. There's the label. I got like 3 for $10, I think, and they stack wonderfully, and this is great for leftovers and condiments. On the right side I have condiments, and I even stacked a little leftover bagel on top. So these are great. I just pull off the lid and put them in the microwave, and they're great to warm up little children's leftovers or food for babies. So they're great for mashed baby food. So I hope you like these storage ideas and tips. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thanks.